Hello everybody, today we're going to be making chicken with white sauce and curry. And before I had told you guys that chicken broccoli was my favorite dish, but I'm sorry that I lied to you because this is actually my favorite dish. This one, oh my gosh. So first, you're going to start off with olive oil and peas and carrots and corn. You're going to add a little bit of salt, vegetable broth powder, curry powder, and that's it. Then you mix it around on medium to low heat, and then you're going to move on to your chicken. First, we're going to wash it with boiling water. Then you're going to put it in a separate pot with olive oil. Mix it around, make sure it coats all of the sides evenly until it starts browning like this. And cover that with boiling water as well. And add a little bit of salt. Yeah, make sure it completely coats the top. So that chicken's peeking out a little bit, but make sure most of them are completely submerged. And then also vegetable powder, 7 spices seasoning, and once again curry powder. I guess those were similar to the same spices we just put in the peas and carrots and corn. And then now we're going to move on to our salt. So you're going to take 100 grams of flour, low heat on the pot, and 100 grams butter, so equal parts butter and flour. My mom says this step, making sure this step goes well, making sure everything is consistent, the flour is all incorporated into the butter. This step is very important in making sure that the sauce is very creamy and consistent at the end. It's not grainy. My mom made a separate video with just this sauce if you want to put this in any of your other dishes, like pasta or just rice, whatever you want. But yeah, this is it's a nice base sauce to use in a lot of different things. Just, make sure you're doing everything slowly, add all of these cups of milk slowly, and keep mixing it. And then for this dish, you're going to immediately add in your corn, peas, and carrots and stir. Also add some chicken broth. Slowly, that's the key here. Cup by cup. And then you're going to put in your chicken. And that's good to go. So now we're going to move on to making our rice. You're going to add ghee to a rice cooker, and you're going to, the combination my mom likes to use is 3 cups of Egyptian flour and 1 cup of American flour. Then you're going to add a little bit of salt, 2 teaspoons. I'm going to mix that around a little bit. And you're going to add 5 cups of boiling water. And I believe you're going to let that cook for about 25 minutes until it comes out very nice and fluffy. But that's it. Then it's ready to assemble, and we hope you enjoy. Happy chicken currying. Bye bye!